Hi everyone, I'm Emma, a naturalist here at Alliance Redwoods in Sonoma, California, and I'm here to bring you your next Camp at Home exploration video. Camp at Home is a video series that seeks to connect you with the amazing natural world through scientific observations. The investigative tools that we are demonstrating here are used by scientists all over the world to learn about plants, animals, habitats, and climate in the area, and learn how we can best care for them. So let's go out and do some exploring. Today, what I'm going to introduce to you is the scientific study called phenology. Phenology is basically the study of seasonal changes and how living things respond to them. Phenologists look at the regional weather and climate in the light of when plants and animals are transitioning from one seasonal operation to another. For example, when do the maple trees flower? When do they grow out their leaves? What in their environment is causing that change? Before we go to phrenology exploration outdoors, I want to show you something way cool about plants. Plants are programmed to receive physical signals from their environments, such as rain, length of daylight, and temperature, and relay those signals to vital growing parts of the plant by making it into chemicals called hormones. When the days become longer and warmer and there is plenty of moisture in the soil, the plants will produce the hormones gibberellin, cytokinin, and auxin. All these hormones will work together in different parts of the plant to make it grow. Gibberellin is mainly the cause of stem and leaf elongation. Now I say elongation because did you know that the baby leaves that come out in the spring were really already made in the plant last summer? Plants really plan ahead. The reason they do this is that if the leaf or branch was physically broken off the plant, the new stem and leaf would already be in the bud ready to take over. The injured branch would signal gibberellin to be released to make that bud grow a new branch and leaf immediately if it was needed. But in normal circumstances, the plant does not want the new shoots and leaves to start growing right away in the fall season when the summer leaves fall off. They must wait for next spring. The cold period in winter tells the plant to halt the production of gibberellin, and after many days of consistent warmer temperatures, the production of gibberellin starts again to tell the buds that it is time to grow. Likewise, cytokinins and auxins work in concert to grow these new shoots and roots. Actually, if auxin is high and cytokinin is low, a root will be told to form. If cytokinin is high and auxin is low, a shoot is told to form. Let's go out and see the results of these hormones in all the new roots, shoots, branches, and leaves. It's really hard to see a plant grow. So here's what I'm going to challenge you to do. Make a time warp. I want you to do at home what I did here and see what kind of results you can get. Find a bud on a tree, some little leaves that you know will grow big, a flower bud, or a new shoot growing out of the ground. Get a device with a digital camera on it, and then take a photo of that bud or shoot every day for a week, or even a month if you want to. Put those photos together so you can actually see the plant growing. All those growth hormones will be pumping up your plant in no time. Try taking notes of the weather with your photos. Did your plant grow faster after it got water? After it was warm? After a very sunny day? Or did it seem the same throughout? Put them all together and you'll have a time warp of the plant growing, and you'll figure out exactly what caused them to warp faster sometimes. Here are some time warp photos that I took to get you started. Now, just one note that might make this easier. I notice that it is sometimes hard to find the same plant and frame it the same way every day in your camera. So if you have some nice brightly colored string at home, or something else you can make a border to frame your plants in and leave it right there undisturbed, it might make it a lot easier to find each one every day and make your photos match. After you take all your photos and get them lined up in a timeline for each individual plant, show someone in your home and tell them what you notice, what you wonder, and what kinds of things your project reminds you of. See what insights they have to say, as well as how impressed they are with your study. Then see if you can do your own research on the internet to see if you can explain some of your things you're wondering. As always, keep exploring. Bye for now from the naturalists at Alliance Redwoods. Come and see us again soon for another fun exploration video.